Okay, so now we're looking at (6.3) designing data collection sheets. So for number 1, Pasha carries out an experiment with the spinner. The section of the spinner are colored red, yellow, blue, and green as shown. She spins the spinner 100 times and record the color the spinner lands on each time. Design a suitable data collection sheet for her. So all you need to do is just draw it out and make sure you know what you're looking for. So here we can just put 3 columns. Normally it should be about 3 because you have to leave 1 for tally and then 1 for the color, 1 for tally, 1 for frequency, and then at the bottom here, normally we have something called a total. So here we can draw a total. So the first one here will be the details. And then we have how many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we only need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need this much. And then the first part here, we're going to write colors. And then here we're going to write tally. And then here we're going to write frequency. It's going to be an empty table. It's just that you have to design a total of 100 here. You just have to design and make sure that you get the color, write all the possible outcome here. And green, that's it. So this is your suitable data collection sheet. Okay, the next one, Razi does a survey on the make of cars that passed his house on one Saturday. So now we're just looking at make of cars. So it records BMW, Ford, Nissan, Toyota, Vauxhall, and others. Design a suitable data collection sheet for him. It's the same thing. We're just going to draw a table. Make sure we have at least 3 columns. So we're just going to draw it all the way down. Total. It's going to be make of car, tally, and frequency. So it didn't say how many, so I don't have a total, but I know how many cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. So we're just going to write it. BMW, Ford, Nissan, Toyota, Vauxhall, and other. Is it? This is for number 2. And the second, number 3, Mia asked 100 students in the school how many times they have been on to a foreign country. Design a suitable data collection sheet for her. Highest number of times is 6. So you just got to make sure every time you design a data collection sheet, there is a choice of it to be 0. Okay, or for it to be others. So here I need 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will make 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And draw another rectangle. Pull it down. So this is frequency. Tally. Total. And then here we're going to write times being in a foreign country. Foreign means overseas. You've been to another country. So we start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maximum 6. Don't need 6 or more because we just say that 6 is the maximum. This is for number 3. Okay, next one will be slightly harder because Dakurai has two tetrahedral dice. Tetrahedral means that it is made of triangles. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4-sided. 4-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, correct. Okay, numbered 1 to 4. He decides to do this 150 times. Record each score he gets. So design a data collection sheet for Dakurai. Before we start, we need to use a certain amount of reasoning here to see what is the minimum amount and maximum amount. So the smallest amount that we can get is 1 plus 1, which is 2. And then the highest amount that you can get is 4 plus 4, which is 8. So all the numbers in between 2 to 8 is possible, but anything below 2 is impossible, above 8 is impossible. So I need to design a data collection sheet from 2 to 8. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also the same thing like this one here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Need 7 of it. So I'm just going to paste it here. So I'm just going to erase those that I don't want. Okay, the tally here, and then probably just spell frequency properly. I'm just going to write frequency. Here, it's just going to be the total. Total means the sum. I can just write the sum is better. The sum. So I get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Any other numbers are impossible. Okay. So since you decided to roll 150 times, this should be 150 right here. But this is 100, by the way. Okay, in case you forgot. Now for question B, you can actually compare with your friends, but it's not necessary. You can just have a look and just see a different perspective. For number 5, Shen investigates the favorite flavor of ice cream of the students in his school. He asked 30 students from each stage, 7 to 11, to take part. He asked them to choose their favorite flavor from vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, raspberry ripple, mint chocolate chip, and other. Design a data collection sheet. So let's see how many do we need. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We only need 6. So let's just design a data collection sheet for that. So we only need 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to draw a box for total. A line down total. I can actually see it here. 30 students from each stage means 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 classes, the total of 150 as well. So this is flavor of ice cream. Tally, frequency. So we got vanilla, strawberry, chocolate. Raspberry ripple, mint chocolate chip. And other. And that is for number 5. Number 6, Tanisha investigating each worker in the factory. She uses data collection sheet. She asks 100 workers to say which age group they are in. Give 2 reasons why a data collection sheet is not suitable. So here we can have a few examples. So 6, we need to have 2 reasons. Overlapping values. Okay, then the second one will be no age above 50 and below 20. So we need to redesign the same thing here. You can actually just add it from here, but you need to add in 2 columns. So I think we need in total of 5 rows. It's a bit slightly bigger. So H is less than 20, so I need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 100 workers. So age, tally, and frequency is always there. So less than 20, 20 to the 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 and above. It means 50 and above. More than 50. Okay, let's look at number 7. Zalika is comparing the fitness of men and women. Ask 50 men, 50 women how many times they exercise a week. He records the information in the data collection sheet. Give 3 reasons why data collection sheet is not suitable. Let's look at number 7. Okay. There is no choice 0. Second one, overlapping values. No values above 6. So let's design a better one. I think we can actually use back this 5 thing here. I think this is pretty great. 5 is pretty good. Let's just place it here and change the color to purple. So instead of age, it's just the number of times you go to the gym, tally, frequency, all these things just can remove. Oh, actually, just rewrite. And then the total should be 100. Oh, coincidence. And then times exercise a week. Zero, 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 7 and above. This is a better one, I think. And that's it.